How to recover WhatsApp messages without backup. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's video, I will simply discuss whether or not it is possible to recover our WhatsApp messages without actually backing them up. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're aware, the way you know how WhatsApp works is that you back up your messages, and when you try to switch your device, you simply restore them on a new Android or iOS smartphone. But considering that you failed to back up your messages, there is no way that you can actually go ahead and then restore them. For this, you have to first of all understand how WhatsApp works. Now, WhatsApp was built and designed for privacy purposes, which means that WhatsApp actually runs on an end-to-end encryption. What end-to-end encryption means is that even WhatsApp themselves is not going to keep a data and backup of all of your chats. It's not like how Facebook and Messenger works, where the Facebook and Messenger team is going to keep backup of your chats, which means even if you deleted them somewhere, Facebook still has that information saved on the database. But WhatsApp was built for privacy reasons, and that is simply one of the reasons why you always find the option called backup and restore, and that is simply the reason why you will not be able to restore it without a backup, because WhatsApp also does not have the information. Now, you might be asking, I can try to contact WhatsApp support team in order to get help with my data. I can go ahead and try to contact them in any way, but keep in mind, even if WhatsApp do not have themselves your data and personal information, no one else will be able to recover it for you. So you have to be very wary of that. Now, let's say that you fail to back up your messages on your Google Drive or on your iCloud, but during the uninstallation process, it will ask me a question. So if I try to uninstall WhatsApp without backing up, I'll just tap on the uninstall button. It will ask me, do you want to uninstall this app, and then whether or not you want to keep this much of data. Now, if you select keep your 35 MB of data or anything, and even if you tap on the OK button, your chat backups are saved to your device and not on a Google Drive or anywhere else. That means even if it is deleted from WhatsApp's database, it is still going to remain on a device, and next time when you reinstall WhatsApp, you most likely will be able to view your chats. But if you back them up to your Google Drive and then you didn't check this option and now you're trying to restore it, keep in mind that, as I repeat again, WhatsApp was built for privacy reasons, and that is one of the reasons why it runs an end-to-end encryption, and you will not be able to restore your messages as long as you have not backed them up. Hopefully this video cleared your confusion, but you can try to go ahead and reinstall it and see if you have the option to restore it. But hopefully this was the answer of this video. We hope the video at least gave you some insights about the backup and restore and how end-to-end encryption actually works. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.